Good morning, traders. It's Christmas Eve. Happy holidays. I headed into this trading day knowing that the holidays were coming up, and I didn't want to have a red day and carry that into the holidays with the sour face. So I took a lighter size today, fewer trades, but it was still a green day, so a great day. Really appreciate, really thankful for that. So I took two trades, one in FCEL, one on UAVS. If you're new to the channel, this is my minute chart. Here's my broker with the trades I've taken with my P&L right here. So where do I get the trade ideas? I have joined a chat room and they do Zoom calls. It's called TrueTrader. They also have scanners, 3 scanners that help you trade during the market. I have a couple of my own scanners as well that I built. And at the end of the video, I can go over how you can get all that, including my scanners. I can give you that as well. Okay, so FCEL, right off the open, we see a huge drop. And again, I'm taking lighter size this morning. And I got in right here. And it was really bouncing back and forth. It was ping-ponging around. And I just, as soon as it hit, it got close to VWAP here. As soon as it hit it, I kind of took off everything and got out of that one. As you can see, it just kept on going back and forth towards my entry. Had I got a better entry, this would have been a really great trade, but I kind of missed it. As you can see, it was a really fast mover. So that was FCEL. And then UAVS, something I probably shouldn't have taken. Reason being, it was kind of spready, and it didn't have a lot of volume at the open or on the daily. So I like to take things that are very liquid and where you can get in and out very easily. As you can see, this one's jumping around a lot. So I got in here, again, really light size and got out. But in hindsight, this one was not an A+ trade. I shouldn't have taken it. So those are my trades. Again, where do I get these trade ideas? I have joined TrueTrader, and I'll show you their website right here. They have a 3-day trial that tells you here what you get. So if you go in the description of the video, there's a link to the TrueTrader trial for 25 bucks for a 3-day trial. I'm a multi-year member. They have been a great community and continue to be. They gave me the idea this morning. I mean, they have over decades of experience. So they gave me the idea this morning to lighten up size because being as a new trader, I started, in April. I didn't have any experience. So part of that is their wisdom in that, hey, the holidays are coming. Don't go in full size. Take it easy because you are gonna regret it and head into the holidays with a sour face if you're in a red day. So I took that advice and I'm so happy I did. So if you want to learn more about their community and what they offer, there's TrueTrader Join, and there's some great information here. You should read through it. There's some testimonials. I know these people in the chat room. They're real people. And what's really cool is they have some proven results. So the mods, they share their screen with the Zoom call every morning, and then they share their results. They take high liquid names, not penny stocks. I started with a small account back in April. You don't need a large account to do this, and you don't need to have any experience really, because I had 0, and I'm doing pretty good so far. Sure, after some ups and downs, but it's all part of the journey. So yeah, check out the links in the description, and if you click on them, it really helps support the channel, and I appreciate it. And have a happy holiday.